Hello friends, in this video we'll talk about anatomical position, body planes and movements. So first we'll see the anatomical position. So this is the human body you're seeing in the anatomical position. The person is standing straight, the palms are facing forward, thumbs are pointing downwards, toes are pointing forward, and the feet are parallel to each other, and there is some distance you can observe, okay, and the eyes are looking straight forward, okay. So this is brief about anatomical position. Now the body planes which you are seeing, this is the coronal plane. Yes, it divides the body into two halves, left half and the right half. Sagittal plane is dividing like this, okay, you can see, and transverse plane into the upper and the lower part. This is the oblique plane. Now not very important, but please remember these three planes: coronal, sagittal, transverse. This will be asked, okay, in the exams generally, okay. Now let's go to the movements. Here you are seeing the flexion and extension. Flexion means bringing forward, extension means opposite, going backwards. Now you see here I am doing this flexion extension, right? So flexion, and there you go, extension, okay. This is for the hip joint and in the knee joint. Same way I told, extension forward, flexion is backward, okay, like this. And this is plantar flexion and this is your dorsiflexion. So plantar flexion is towards the ground, dorsiflexion is above the ground, and the flexion extension in the fingers. Here you can see flexion, extension, like this, okay. This is abduction and adduction, okay. Abduction, abduct, taking away, okay. Adduction, coming towards, adduction, add, you are adding something. Abduction, like someone abducted this person, taken away that person, robbed, that is what is meaning of abduct, okay. Abduct means take away, adduct means stomach or bring forward. You can see in the fingers abduction and adduction, okay. The interossei will do this movement. See now, abduction, adduction, okay. Now there is the flexion extension in the thumb also. Here flexion, extension, okay. And then there is abduction and adduction in the thumb. So you are finding abduction, adduction, right? And the opposition, this is preposition, okay. Then rotational movement of shoulder joint. See now, please observe me. This is medial rotation and this is lateral rotation, okay. And circumduction, combination of flexion, extension, abduction, adduction, okay. Then supination and pronation, okay. Now this is supination and this is the pronation. Inversion and eversion of foot. Inversion is, this will be inversion, this is my foot, inversion, and this will be the eversion, okay. So references from where I took the pictures. That brings us to end of the video. So thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.